and scrub the skin gently for 2 minutes. Perform scrubbing in a circular motion, moving inside outward. Use a moistened sterile gauze to clean the prep site. Prep with Betadine standardized solution after scrubbing. Betadine antiseptic solution is a golden brown aqueous solution containing PVP iodine and used for pre-operative cleansing of the skin. This facilitates the prevention of potentially lethal infections in all major and minor surgeries. It is also used for post-operative surgical wound infection and for cleaning of wounds in trauma cases. More recently, Center for Disease Control and World Health Organization have issued recommendations supporting the use of dilute betadine lavage in surgical procedures. The dilute betadine lavage before surgical wound closure in aseptic revision, TKA and THA, appears to be a simple, safe and effective measure to reduce the risk of acute post-operative periprosthetic joint infection. What's more, Betadine antiseptic solution is a unique standardized solution. In any povidone iodine solution, free iodine levels decrease over a period of time, resulting in a decrease in the potency of the product, referred to as aging. It also decreases the pH and hence irritates the skin. Betadine standardized solution, being the standardized PVP-I solution, offers undiminished microbicidal efficacy and consistent skin-friendly pH throughout the shelf life and thus ensures complete antisepsis and minimal risk of skin irritation. Betadine standardized solution clearly delineates the disinfected area. In wound management, Betadine has demonstrated efficacy in infection prevention and thus Betadine standardized solution is used for wound cleaning prophylactically. Betadine ointment is in water-soluble base and is used for dressing in traumatic wounds, lacerations and post-operative cases. Betadine ointment provides occlusion and is preferred in dry wounds with less exudates, and Betadine powder is preferred in sensitive, too tender wounds or oozing wounds with high exudates. For pre-operative scrubbing of hands and pre-operative scrubbing of patient's operative site, use Betadine surgical scrub that prevents the chances of nosocomial infections. For pre-operative prepping of skin and in the prevention of wound infections in trauma cases, use Betadine standardized solution, the standardized PVP-I solution. Above all, use Betadine ointment or Betadine powder for dressing in trauma cases, gynecological procedures and post-operative cases. Hence, Betadine, the universal spectrum microbicide, can be used at all stages for hand antisepsis, scrubbing, prepping, cleaning and dressing, and therefore provides a comprehensive approach to antisepsis in trauma management and surgical procedures. The range of Betadine products does not end here. Betadine Gargle, the universal spectrum gargle, prevents and treats oral infection. Betadine Gargle prevents and treats upper respiratory tract infections